the earth trembles, the sky will wake, every soul will cry for make long faith. When the earth trembles, the sky will wake, every soul will cry for make long faith. People ask, where is the judgment day? When will it come? What signs will it display? It is the day when the earth will shake apart. Every mountain peak will be blown and depart. When the ocean will rise, raging in despair, and the earth will declare, I know, I am aware of the sins you committed, of all you concealed. That day no soul will be left unrevealed. When trusts are betrayed and sold for gain, when mothers suffer their children's disdain, when modesty and virtue fade from sight, and religion is used as a reason to fight. When the Father speaks but the Son won't heed, knowledge exists but none choose to read. When beggars rise to power so high, and for the poor no one will cry. When houses stand tall, touching the sky, but hearts remain closed, refusing to try. When serving mothers feels like a chore, and wealth alone is what people adore. When adultery and wine become widespread, and desires rule where morals once led. When right and wrong seem all the same, then divine wrath will surely claim. When the Almighty's court is finally set, no denial, no excuse, no chance to forget. Some will stand at heaven's bright door, while others will burn in hell's fiery core. Those who live by cruelty and pride will face torment with nowhere to hide. But the pure at heart, the righteous and kind, will shine with light, with peace in their mind. O prophets alone, grant us your mercy's embrace. Let our sins be forgiven by Allah's grace. Through your endless love and light so bright, may we stand as your ummah, pure in his sight.
Oh intercessor, we sinners plead, we need your help, your mercy indeed. On the day of judgment, take our hand and help us safely to heaven's land. Oh prophet son, oh grant us your mercy's embrace. Let our sins be forgiven by Allah's grace. Through your endless love and light so bright, may we stand as your ummah, pure intercessor, we sinners plead, we need your help, your mercy indeed. On the day of judgment, take our hand and help us safely to heaven's land.
All this stand tall, touching the sky, but hearts remain closed, refusing to try. When the Father speaks, but the Son won't heed, knowledge exists, but none choose to read. When beggars rise to power so high, and for the poor no one will cry. When the Father speaks, but the Son won't heed, knowledge exists, but none choose to read. When beggars rise to power so high, and for the poor no one will cry. And for the poor no one will cry. When the earth trembles, the sky will weep, every soul will cry for its own fate deep. When the earth trembles, the sky will weep, every soul will cry for its own fate deep.